Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this beautiful nail set. If you guys would like to see how, please continue watching. So to start off, of course, as always, I'm going to be taking some base coat and I'm going to be using the eye gel base coat, and I'm going to apply this over all the nails in a nice thin layer. You guys, you always want to use a base coat under gel polish. When I first started off doing nails, I remember there was a few times when I didn't, and I remember my gel polish used to like completely peel off. So it's very important that you use the gel base coat. While that was curing in the lamp, I showed you guys the other set that the same customer ordered, and they're Dodger themed, and I love the way they came out. Yeah, so I was showing you guys that set, and then I showed you guys this set for another customer that was getting ready to ship out, and I thought it was so pretty. If you guys want to see how to make any of these sets, let me know down in the comments below. So here I'm just taking a little mixing sheet, and I'm taking my eye gel beauty color called Doll Face, and I'm going to be adding a couple of drops of this to the little mixing sheet, and I'm going to use this to outline the nail. When I ended up outlining the nail, I realized that this shade was a little bit too light of a pink color for my liking, so I went ahead and I darkened it up with a D&D color called Be My Valentine, and it ended up making the perfect pink shade, exactly like how I wanted it to be. So as you guys can see here, I'm just adding a couple drops of that D&D shade and then gonna mix it up. So now I'm going to be outlining the nail, and when it comes to the top part of the nails, I do make the line pretty thick just because I know that at the end of the set, when it's all finished, I'm going to file the tops of the nails. But if you're someone who likes to file the nails before like getting started in your set, you could make the line thinner. So I'm making it a little bit thicker, like I said, just because I know that I'm gonna file some of the nail off. So you guys will see at the end how it came out, but yes, I do recommend that if you guys are gonna file at the end, make the line on top a little bit thicker because you're gonna file some off. Now I'm going to be applying my matte top coat, and this is my favorite matte top coat, you guys. It's by Koopa, and I'm going to be applying an even layer of this on top of all the nails. now it's time for the bling bling. And pretty much here I'm just taking my pink rhinestones, and I'm going to be adding it to this little pink dish that I have. And I also went ahead and I think I used the crystals in the shade Moonlight as well. I used those crystals as well, so you guys will see here in a little bit. But yeah, I really didn't know exactly what kind of gem placement I was going to be doing. I just know that I was going to be doing some pink rhinestones. So yeah, I was pretty much taking any of the pink rhinestones that I have in my little container here. So once I picked out my rhinestones, I also went ahead and I'm going to add some of these darker pink rhinestones. I'm going to add these beautiful light pink rhinestones. And then I'm going to add like the smaller rhinestones as well. And of course, I'm going to be using my Zoulay's Bling adhesive to be applying these rhinestones. You guys, I'm running out of this Zoulay's Bling adhesive, and this was like my second or third bottle that I ran out of in like a span of I think 2 months. So yeah, I'm debating if I'm gonna buy another bottle or if I'm just gonna start using the rest of my Nail Couture gummy jelly, because I used to love that and I bought so many like bottles of it, and they're like all new, and I see them and I just like I need to use them before I purchase another Zoulay glue. So yeah, in the next videos I think I might be using my Nail Couture gummy jelly. So anyways, so I'm just going to be applying the rhinestones how I think that they would look cute. I have no reference picture or nothing. This customer, she always likes freestyle sets. She just gives me kind of an idea of like the colors that she likes or like the shape. And I already know like what she likes. I like to build relationships with my customers. So yeah, so I'm just like placing the rhinestones down how I think they would look cute. So here I just got some like of my pink charms, and I was seeing if they were gonna look cute on this nail set. I ended up not going with either of them because I felt like the nail was too small, if that makes sense. I think if the nail was a little bit maybe longer, I could have gotten away with that. But yeah, so I ended up like opting not to put that on the nail. But I mean, now looking back, I think it would have actually looked really, really cute, especially the second heart. But yeah, so I just ended up going in with this Moonlight stone, and then I added pink stones on top of it and all around it. And I think, you guys, this was my favorite nail. Like, I love the way that the bling placement was on this nail. when you're done applying the bling bling, this is how your set should be looking. And oh my gosh, you guys, it looks so pretty. I have no words. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how I file my nails. I like to take a nail file and I kind of like hold the nail and then start filing the nail like kind of downwards, if that makes sense. And I like to have like a really nice crisp shape, so filing is like super important to me. So yeah, I just do that to all the nails. And then after I'm done with that, as you guys can see, you get dust everywhere. I really need to buy a new dust collector machine. I have one, but it's old and I can't find the little like charger for it. So yeah, I need to get a new one. But anyways, after you're done filing the nails, you want to get like a big fluffy brush and just kind of dust off the nails. After everything is nice and dusted off, I take a little lint-free wipe and I wipe the rhinestones because it just to clean them up a little bit more. And like I feel like this part is like so crucial because look at how shiny the rhinestones get after you clean them. But yeah, so this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys really liked this video. If you did and you want to see more press on nail videos and nail hauls, then please let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.